Are you looking for a natural way to keep your skin healthy and glowing? If yes, then papaya is the answer. In this video, I'm going to share the 5 amazing benefits of papaya for your skin that you should know. From reducing wrinkles to improving complexion, find out how this magical fruit can help you take care of your skin in the best possible way. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get flawless skin with papaya. Watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Papaya is a tropical fruit with a host of skin benefits. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this wonder fruit helps keep skin healthy and glowing. It also helps reduce signs of aging, fights acne, improves skin tone and texture, boosts collagen production, and even has anti-inflammatory properties. Here are 5 benefits of papaya for the skin that will leave you wanting to add it to your skincare routine. 1. Exfoliation. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps to exfoliate the skin by breaking down dead skin cells and unclogging pores. Not only does it promote a brighter complexion, but this natural exfoliant can also help to reduce acne, improve skin tone, and even reduce the appearance of wrinkles. 2. Hydration. Papaya is rich in water content, which makes it an excellent natural moisturizer for the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin from within, making it soft and supple. 3. Brightening. Papaya contains vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids, which help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. It also helps to improve skin tone and texture, leaving you with a brighter, more even complexion. 4. Anti-aging. Papaya is rich in antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals and prevent premature aging of the skin. It also contains vitamin A, which helps to promote cell turnover and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 5. Soothing. Papaya has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe skin irritations and provide relief from aches and pains. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more insightful videos like this.